This is a great exercise for the abdominal muscles. I generally perform it on the floor with my clients, but performing it on a decline bench makes it really intense. Simply bring your legs up and then kick all the way up to the ceiling, hold it, and straight back down, just allowing your lower back to touch the ground. If you want to get a little bit of your obliques involved in this exercise, simply do a twist. Exactly, Elizabeth. Twist it, twist to the opposite side. Exactly. This is a very challenging exercise, so make sure you have good abdominal strength and have practiced abdominal exercises before, especially advanced ones, before attempting that one. Great job.